haven't played this game in so long. And I probably am. Why, game? Why do you do this to me? What did I do? Jump quickly. That's the P for height. Yay. I really need 20 of those. So I can get my skateboard. The skateboard's quite good in this. Yes, I got height. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, I'm not good at this game. Yay. Crash your stereo. Like I can. Yeah, I'm probably gonna edit this out. Why am I saying I'm gonna edit out? I'm gonna edit. I'm not going to. I'm gonna make you wait. Because I'm evil. Yay. This is quite fun collecting coins and dying every 10 seconds and accidentally running into trains. Bye, officer. Who eats too many donuts? Doesn't eat too many, he is a donut actually. I'm so glad of this jetpack thing. Hey. Yay, perfect timing. Yes, this is sick whenever this happens. Oh god, what have I done? I don't want double coins. Why does the officer sound so weird? I don't know why. Officer, please have mercy. Oh god damn it. I could have got on top of that. I thought that tree was moving, I was like, I'm dead. The train. I'll wait for the bunnies. Slowest trains ever. How do they come from the middle? One thing I always ask about this game. There's being an obstacle there, how do they come from that way? Too bad I didn't make all the trains. Not because I got all the money anyways. Ow. Yes. Ow. How many times have I hit that stupid wall? I don't like walls. Only if I was there. And only if I seen that stupid wall. Damn it. My back hurts so much. How do I do this? Okay. Stupid videos. Why do you always pop up? I don't know. I just broke my hand. I didn't break it, but it hurts. Only 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dab. You better have dabs. Ow. How did I trip over? Did I fall over there? Yes, me. Ah! I think next time I play a game it's probably going to be Dude Perfect. jump like you've never jumped before. That means you'd be pretty bad at it. Why does this always happen? I always get loads of money. Just from the magnet. My hand hurts so much. I missed it. No. Ow. Bye, officer. Just unfair. Why is my spawn so mean? See what I get. I don't want to double up. Alright, see you guys. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.